This solar-powered Qualirey motion sensor alarm is designed for long-term outdoor use, so you're not constantly worrying about changing batteries in remote areas of your property. In use, the 3 selectable modes give you a lot of control over how and when the siren and lights trigger, whether you want full-time coverage or only nighttime deterrence. The ability to switch between preset dog barking or gunshot sounds and your own short recordings makes it surprisingly flexible for scaring off different kinds of animals. Its built-in rechargeable battery and weather-resistant housing make it well-suited for farms, orchards, barns, and other exposed installations. The alarm is loud enough to be taken seriously, yet the adjustable volume and brief playback window help keep it from becoming a constant nuisance to nearby neighbors. Getting 4 units plus shared remote controls and mounting hardware in one package makes it easy to cover multiple entry points around a property without buying extra accessories.